Hey guys, so this is PKS. Welcome to my channel. This video is all about top 15 tips coding interviews. Before moving forward, I would like to share some interesting fact. That is कि we are India almost 20 lakh engineer every year produce कर रहा है and so then you can understand कि there is a huge competition in this particular field, right? So you have to really do work hard, prepare well for software basic concept or fundamentals, networking concept, problem solving, and of course data structure and algorithms. So guys, let's get started on the tips. So point number one is most interviewers want you to succeed in interview. So guys, this is absolutely true. आपको पॉजिटिव रहना है and be attentive and listen very carefully, and the most important thing is you should be very humble in interview. The point number two is prepare a short and precise introduction of yourself. आपका जो इंट्रोडक्शन है वो कभी भी 2 मिनट से ऊपर नहीं जाना चाहिए. You have to share your experience about yourself and whatever. So you can prepare a small script or 2 or 3 liner introduction. Be ready with that, be handy with that. ऐसा ना हो कि रिज्यूम का जो ऑब्जेक्टिव है उसे पढ़ के आप बोल रहे हो. ठीक है. Now the point number 3, understanding the problem statement very clearly, right? If once interviewer give you a problem, तो आपको प्रॉब्लम को अच्छे से समझना है, राइट? इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट, you have to clear your doubt in first phase of the very beginning, right? ऐसा ना हो कि आपने प्रॉब्लम सुना, आपने सॉल्व किया, कुछ कुछ किया एंड देन मिडल ऑफ समथिंग में जाके आप पूछ रहे हो कि यार आई हैव अ डाउट. सो क्लैरिफाई द डाउट्स इन beginning, right? The point number 4, don't take any assumption about the problem statements, right? This is most important thing, guys. Either it is a coding round or system design round, क्योंकि SD1 और 2 के लिए बाद में system design round भी रहता है. तो don't take any assumptions, be specific, clear the constraints about the problem statement with the interviewer, right? The next point is never jump straight to the solution and start coding, right? So most important thing है कि you have to solve the problem, right? ऐसा कभी नहीं होना चाहिए कि आपने प्रॉब्लम सुना and just start typing and start coding. So first, the most important thing is solve the problem and you tell the interviewer the approach, and then once you are clear, then only you start writing the code. The next point is it is really okay, you can use pen and paper to solve the problem, right? Next point is a very common confusion here, so about the programming language. So pick a programming language which you are the most comfortable one, right? The next point is start simple, give a nav solution first and then optimize. It means आप प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करें सिंपल तरीके से. तो बेसिक nav सॉल्यूशन पहले दें. वंस इंटरव्यूअर कन्विंस कि भैया दिस इज ओके, एंड इफ ही आस्क कि राइट द कोड, then you can write the code, right? And if he asks can you further optimize it, then please share the optimization, right? The next step is discuss your approach before coding. As I told you in previous point, discussing your solution or approach is the most important thing before writing the code. वो बहुत जरूरी है, उसको जरूर करना. So next point is brainstorm the data structure you are using to solve the problem. So guys, it is very important कि आप कौन सा data structure use करते हैं उस particular problem को solve करने के लिए. For an example, आप अगर string की problem आई है तो then you can use a try data structure, right? So next point is discuss the time complexity and space complexity. This is the most important one, right? So तभी इंटरव्यूअर आपसे ऑप्टिमाइजेशन के लिए भी पूछेगा. लेट से आपने ON स्क्वायर के लिए सॉल्व कर दिया तो यू कैन आस्क फॉर द कि ऑप्टिमाइज O1 में करो, O1 में करो या ON में करो, राइट? सो This is, you have to prepare well for these things. The next is the start coding when you are very clear what exactly need to write. तो दोस्तों, आपने अप्रोच डिस्कस कर लिया, आपने सोल्यूशन दे दिया. नाउ इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपको लिखना क्या है. दैट स्क्रिप्ट और कोड शुड बी रेडी इन योर माइंड बिफोर राइट. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. आप 1 या 2 मिनट का स्किप ले सकते हैं, ठीक है. The next is, that is very important one, write clean code. Don't just code, also communicate. तो दोस्तों, ये तो बहुत ही क्लियर है. आपको एकदम रीडेबल एंड एग्जीक्यूटेबल कोड लिखना है, जो रन हो, जो चले और सामने वाले को समझ में आए. यूज importantly variable, constant name and function name should be very precise and with the coding standard. The next is, make your solution works for edge and boundary cases. तो डेफिनेटली जो हमने डिस्कस किया था कि एज केसेस कवर करने हैं, बाउंड्रीज, कंस्ट्रेंट्स, जो एजम्पशन लेने हैं, उसके हिसाब से आपकी सारी चीजें चलनी चाहिए, राइट. तो कोड शुड बी वर्केबल with the edge cases as well. And the most important point is, and this is the last one as well, luck plays a significant role, right? So don't be disappointed if you are not selected. So guys, these are the all 15 points. I hope you like this video. Please watch the complete video and subscribe my channel, and please do comment and share your feedback. And if you would like to add more points, then it's happy. Thank you.